We have transformer workshop in which we carry out repairs of failed transformers. In the workshop, we handle repair of failed distribution transformers. This includes transformers, both 33 and 11 kV 415. When they fail from any of the substations, the concerned area office will forward it to us with a accompanied report, power and testing report. Based on that, we will assess. Our workshop team will open the transformer, assess the level of damage. They will come up with requirement, material requirement, and based on that, we will forward to finance for supply of the material that we purchase. That in case we don't have in the store, we forward for supply of the materials involved. This process involves sometimes replacement of the entire coil, both either low voltage or high voltage side. We recoil it. The whole process takes place in our transformer workshop. It undergoes quality checks, test everything, after which transformer will be coupled, undergoes test again. If it is certified okay, we now call the concerned area office to take it back and put it in circuit and supply the customers affected. This, depending on the nature of the fault and the availability of material, this could be done under 1 to 3 days.